Welcome to the Repeat Rewards Learning Channel. In this episode, I'm going to show you how to add employee IDs on the Merchant website. The point of adding employee IDs is that for your marketing purposes, you can see which employees are really promoting the program. You can see who is adding specific transactions for checking against potential fraud, and it just gives you a lot more back-end reporting. So we highly recommend using employee IDs with your program. Some employee IDs may be already sent to us. If you use an integrated point of sale and your point of sale system has employee IDs that your employees use when they log in and out of the system, those details are oftentimes sent to us already. So if you have questions, just ask our team for information. Today I'll show you how to add employee IDs. If you're using a tablet, you have the option of entering an employee ID with a transaction. The employee ID field is optional and you can choose to hide it if need be. So today I'm going to show you how to add those employee IDs. So start on the Merchant website with the credentials given. Then click Reports, Employee Reports. From here you'll be able to see the reports that compile, and we're going to click Add/Edit Employee ID in order to set these up. You'll first see a list of employee IDs that are already set up along with names associated to those employee IDs. To add a new one, click Add New Employee ID. And then you're going to choose the location that you wish to have the ID for, so which location that employee works out of. Then submit the employee ID that they use, and this is what they'll be logging in. Enter in the details, which will make your reports much easier to view because it'll show the name of the employee member instead of just the employee ID when viewing reports. You can also collect information about their position, their email address. You can choose, if you do use certain email options with us like Constant Contact, there are some automated emails that we can send to your top employees as well. For more information about that, just ask our team. You can also log in birth dates if you wish to have an automated birthday email sent to them, again with using Constant Contact, and their employment date. Once you've entered in the information you'd like to collect, click Add Employee Information. And now you'll see that they've appeared at the bottom of the list of employee IDs. And now when using that ID, you can see their information that's being stored. So thank you for watching this episode of the Repeat Rewards Learning Channel. If you have any questions or need help setting up these IDs, please contact our team at 866-268-4958 or email us at merchantservices@repeatrewards.com.